Always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
Everybody, we have rain chances coming up over the next few days. We'll talk about these two features as well in the tropics, but I want to get you ready for what is coming up for tomorrow as we check in on conditions. And in fact, by the time we get into, I think, the midday hour, once again, we're going to be looking at the potential here for some showers and thunderstorms. Not going to be a huge deal as far as the rainfall tallies. We are a little bit drier as far as the atmospheric moisture available to the storm, so that's what we're going to be looking at as far as the rain tracker in the morning between 6, 9 a.m. Just a couple of coastal showers. You know the story here, and then everything kind of migrates to the west. The driest time with this pattern is typically between 10 and 12. When you see those big cauliflower clouds getting going there, those are the type that can put down good downpours, and those are generated by the sea breeze. Watch there between 10 and 12. Already seeing the cloud cover building up, and then between 12 and 3 you get this line of showers and thunderstorms that comes in and then continues to expand as far as intensity and coverage as well. So we'll continue to see that through the evening commute as well, but nothing that's unmanageable. I mean, we're still in wet season, and this is not an unusually wet pattern for us here. So that is what we're looking at. As far as Umberto, we talked about that. That's a newly named tropical storm out in the Atlantic. That's going to be headed up towards Bermuda as a hurricane. They'll have to watch that for next week. That lifts nicely towards the north. This does not. This is that wave over Puerto Rico, and that's the one that, look at this spin here. Broad, and then it tightens up as it gets towards the Bahamas. That looks like a tropical depression or a tropical storm to me with this model. So that's something they're going to be watching closely. Where it goes after that, we have a big dip in the jet stream here. So what we're thinking is that this will be deflected to the north. And so we don't have to worry about any direct impacts there. But we'll keep you posted. In fact, if that changes, I haven't seen any model that has, shifted this to the point where we have to be concerned about it. Florida Keys and Atlantic waters, no alerts for tomorrow. We're looking good there, and the forecast as we talk about temperatures once again approaching the upper 80s to around 90 this week. We've been between 88 and 90, so that'll be the same for tomorrow, and then showers and thunderstorms. A little bit different today. We had the coverage earlier today that I think we will tomorrow. Tomorrow the storms will kind of wait a bit, and then as you saw there on a rain tracker, will linger into the 6 o'clock hour. Forecast then goes this way with temperatures in the upper 80s to around 90 degrees through the end of the week and into the upcoming weekend, and even a little bit drier with rain chances dropping to 30 for next week.